Hello class, welcome to the first MBA Sustainability and Business course. What is this? Anybody? This is a globe, right? Our earth. Okay, can anyone tell me in your own words what is sustainability? How about Kim? Education. Very good, very good. How about this side?
Innovation.
Innovation. Yes.
Resilience.
Resilience. Environment. Environment. Yeah, of course, sustainability is about environment. Sorry? Sorry? What is that? Diet. Okay. How about Jia Health and well-being. Well done. Okay. Anybody else? Human? Alright, human. Yes, of course, sustainability is about human. What else? Anybody? Or one of you gave me environment. Yes, environmental responsibility is very important for sustainability. But sustainability is not just about environment, right? What else? Economic viability. What is economic viability? Meaning that are all of you contributing to the environment, to your other stakeholders. Okay? Next, social equity, meaning indulging in DEI, equity, diversity, inclusivity. That's very important. So when you talk about diversity, we are talking about people from all nations. As long as you have the skill set, you can come to Singapore to work. For example, you feel like working in Singapore, right? We don't look at your color, your nationality. So that is diversity. Equity is about gender. Women and men getting the same pay. That's equity. Okay? Inclusivity is about people who are handicapped or have some liabilities, but they have other skill sets as well. So we must accept them. Not we, like organization must be able to accept them. That is social equity. Health and well-being. Yeah, like Jia Yi said, right. Health and well-being is important for society and also for a country. If the people are always falling sick, how can a country move forward? So that's very important. And also for yourself, you have to keep yourself healthy so that you can do many things, right? For example, you have money and you have asset, but you don't have health. You can't enjoy all this. So health is the key importance in sustainability. What else? Human psychology and values, right? Yeah, I think Eva said that. Okay? Human psychology and values. Change people's psychology. You know, because we are so used to having things and throwing things away. We must try our best to encourage them to reuse, recycle, right? That is sustainability itself. Okay, what is next? Governance and policy. Yeah, government action is very important. So in your country, think about your government. Are they also subscribing to environmental sustainability actions and efforts? So that's important because everybody needs to do our part to help to heal Earth, right? What else? Innovation and technology. Yes, as we move towards the 21st century, we need to use new inventions and technology to help the country or the society or the economy to recycle new technology. Like in Singapore, we recycle all our waste with new technology and new innovation. Right? I'm sure your country have all this as well. What is next? Education and awareness. Yeah, that's why you're all here, right? To be educated in subscribing to sustainability. Right? So a lot of people think that, you know, I'm the only one to use, it's fine. But it's not true. Because everybody is trying to not save the earth, thinking that it is okay because they are the only person doing this. So it's very important to change people's mindset with all these variables. Okay, that's why you come to school to learn more and more about sustainability. What's next? Cultural preservation. Yeah, this is very true, right? Like in Vietnam, in China, as well as in Australia, we must protect heritage, protect the indigenous land, because this is culture. If we destroy it for economic value, economic gain, then all our history will be gone. So this is very important, cultural preservation. Last but not least, resilience and adaptation. Yes, okay, we need to be resilient in the sense that we need to educate people, convince people that sustainability is real. It takes everybody's effort to hit the objective, to reach the objective of recycling, reusing. Okay, very good contribution from all of you. Any questions, anyone? Is my explanation clear? Is SHEIN a good company or a bad company? Okay, in order to know, let's do a poll. Alright, I will give you the website to do a poll, and the option is good or bad or not sure. Look at the results. Many people are not sure which one is truly correct, leading to hesitation and doubt. Today, we will use a simple, effective tool to cut through the confusion, allowing us to decide with clarity and reach a definitive, confident conclusion together. We will judge SHEIN by three things: people, planet, and profit, known in sustainability studies as the triple bottom line. So the triple bottom line, TBL, is a sustainability framework that revolves around the three P's. There is people, profit, and planet. So by maximizing all three bottom lines, organizations are more likely to have a positive impact on the world while still improving financial performance. Okay, let us do a mountain climbing quiz based on the triple bottom line. Okay, let's end the quiz. All of you did very well. Okay, congratulations to Kim again, right? And Xia Yang and Anne. Okay, so all of you did well. You are engaged, so that's really good. Well done. Yes, after doing the quiz, what did we find out more about SHEIN? Remember, we were doing the investigation on the three P's, right? So first is profit. So SHEIN generates enormous profit due to its incredibly successful business models. They excel at selling at a high volume of trendy, low-cost clothing at a remarkably fast pace. That's what we found out, right? A lot of money. And yes, but then we cannot just think about money, right? As a company, we also need to think about people. Who are the people? That means the workers and the customers. But we must seriously consider the people involved. Okay, there are significant and ongoing concerns regarding factory workers. So, are their working conditions and fair treatment being properly ensured? Right? Last but not least, the planet. We must evaluate the planet's well-being. The rapid production of such a massive quantity of clothing creates severe environmental damage through substantial waste and pollution. Right? Remember the discussion on more demands for fast fashion. Like many people buy from SHEIN because their products are really very reasonably priced. And when more people buy these products, the factories have to churn out more. And when this happens, emission level will go up. Right? So who is actually contributing to all this? humans, right? Yeah, so SHEIN had to be aware of this. All of you did very well for the quiz. So now let's go on to another activity, which is to use Lego blocks to design a shirt or a dress with the least Lego blocks. This activity is called the Minimalist Brick Mannequin Challenge. Okay, it's a fast-paced design thinking challenge where the team must create the most desirable shirt or dress using the absolute fewest Lego bricks possible. So what are we emphasizing? We are emphasizing on sustainable principles and material efficiency and creative reuse. Okay, everybody, time's up. If you are ready with your masterpiece, please step right up. Sisi, please stand here. Stand here. Okay, wait for the rest. Kim, stand beside Sisi. Dave, come. Okay, show your product to the class. Show your product to the class. Okay, so take a look. With the least Lego. Least Lego? I think this one is least Lego. Okay, can you all vote? Can you all vote? Whose design or whose masterpiece is the best, you think? Kim. Okay, let's give. So Kim is the winner. Let's give Kim a loud applause, right? Okay, very good.
Very good.
Okay, thank you very much, everybody. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thanks for your participation. Well done. I'm certain that all of you enjoyed the activities as well as our talk on sustainability and business. So, is SHEIN a good company or a bad company? So the answer is not so simple, right? Good business must think about people, planet, as well as profit together. So, sustainability is for everyone. So the triple bottom line teaches us that true success balances profit, people, and the planet. So a business cannot thrive long term by focusing on money alone, right? So it must also care for its workers and protect the environment to build a lasting and sustainable future, right? So like for example, getting your MBA is a smart way to learn how to handle big business problems. And learning about sustainability here will help you lead companies that make money, do good, and last for a long time. So, you are making a great choice. Thank you very much, everybody.
Whenever we choose to support unsustainable business like SHEIN or not. Our relationship with the business may vary from payable to receivable. You can see the cash the people holding, but we need to understand about the economic world, how they work together to create a resilient future from infrastructure, economic, cash, fashion, and all of that. Thank you for listening.
Very good, very good. Yep, a good short and sharp presentation of the economy and the business world by Anne, Kim, and Eva.